Hello, my name is Jason Clark. I'm here for Lab 4, 2020 INTC Lab 4 to be exact. We're going to be installing a printer today. We're going to deploy a printer using the AD. We're going to show you how to schedule printer access, like cutting it off at certain times of the days, and we're going to manage the queue printing jobs, like what order they go in, who's priority, so forth. Alright. We're going to start this off on server 101. We've already logged in. We're going to go to our server manager. We're going to go to add roles because we're going to be adding the server role. Alright, we're good. Alright, we're here in server manager. We're going to go add a role. Go next. We're going to look for the printer services. Click to check it. Go next. Skip this introduction. In the printer services, we're going to put select the printer services, select roles. Boom. Printer services is select. Confirm the installation selection on this page. I like it. Install. That easy to install it. Now we are going to get ready to set up the printer itself. Alright, as you can see, the printer is installed. Now we're going to go back to our start, like I said, we're going to set up our printer. Go back to the start menu, administrative tools. We're going to look for our printer management. Now that we're inside here, we're going to expand the printer mode. Click the printer servers. We're going to right click on it. We're going to add a new printer using the existing port option and leave the LPT1. We'll leave it on the install a new driver option, and we're just going to click next right through. In the manufacturing list, we're going to select generic computer, but if we had other kinds. In the printers list, we're going to look for the MS Publishing Color printer. We're going to click next. In the printer name box, we're going to probably call it MS Color 01. Alright, we've just installed the printer on our server. I just wanted to install or look at it. It is here. If we click on it, right there is what we had just made. We're actually going to install two printers. This is what I'm doing now. I'm installing my second printer exactly the same way I installed my first. We've installed our second printer. We're finished, and we should see our two and see that they are ready to go. That concludes Lab 4.1. Alright, now we're going to start exercise 4.2, deploying the printer using the activity director. We're going to get to the printer management page. We're going to expand the printer mode. Here we are. We're going to right click on the MS Color. While on here, we're going to the list and directory. We right click on the second one, and we're going to look for the deploy policy group. While in here, we're going to go to browse. Now we're in the deploy with the group policies. We're going to go to browse. Under browse, we're going to keep with our default name. Now in this one, we're going to select the checkbox for the computers that this GPO will work on, which is the bottom one. Click OK. Second button, and you click Add. Your server and its name should pop up here. Apply it. Approval comes up. Click OK. Here we are. I've installed the print services onto the second server. Now we're back on our first server. We are going to Now we're going to start. We're going to go to network. We're going to do our search active directories. We're also going to finish this up by going to in our find group, we're going to look for printers. Now we're trying to find printers. As you can tell, this changed to find now. We're going to find now. Both printers have showed up from the two servers. Make sure you click the one on the server 02 and you hit connect, and it will connect, exit out, go back to printers, and now you will see it has now been added to the list, so it also can be used to print it on. And that concludes. Okay, after we have made 3 prints on our server 1 and 3 more prints on our server 2, we'll get into our server 1. We will go back into our print management. We will click on Mono 1. Well, actually, first we'll click on 101 and right click on it, and you can, well, you don't have to, you can click on 101. You can see that there's 3 jobs here. If you click on printers, you right click on printers, we show extension view. When you show extension view, it shows the 3 letters that we've printed on our server 1, and everything's good, prints in job. And now we're going to bring our server 2 printer over here. We're going to right click on the print server, add and remove server, add some server, and we're going to put in our print 2 server's name. Alright, we're going to click into the we're in our add and remove servers. We're going to click in our add servers. We're going to click in our, type in our partner server's name. We're going to add it to the list. We're going to apply, and then my should appear in the console, which it does. We're going to expand the node. We're going to expand the printers. We see our second, and that completes. And now that you see that our the server has been added, or the printer on our second server has been added to the list, we can check it on our main server anytime and be able to check the queue and manage them a whole lot easier. Thank you, and that concludes the lab for today, and I appreciate you.